A hand-on learning experience at the heartland of activity and seeing is believing are the two guiding principles of Ekal Global Learning. Under this thought, the pre-medical internship program is started by Ekal Arogya Yojana with the help of its supporting organization Health Foundation for Rural India for NRI students in 2015.
इस प्रोग्राम का एम या ध्येय जो कहा जाए वो ये है कि पहले तो हम लोग अपने यहाँ के भारत में हेल्थ डिलीवरी सिस्टम के बारे में अमेरिकन प्री मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स को बताते हैं ताकि आने वाले दिनों में यदि उनकी इच्छा आकांक्षा हो यहाँ आकर कुछ काम करने की तो उन्हें एक अनुभव रहे, उनका एक स्ट्रक्चर, नींव का स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ रहे।
Arogya Foundation of India has successfully completed its first medical internship initiative, and now the organization is ready to continue this program again under its chairperson Dr. Veena Gandhi along with Dr. Hashmukh Shah and 5 interns from USA.
जहाँ जहाँ हमारी एकल विद्यालय की स्कूल चल रही है उस गांव के लोगों को हम किस तरह तंदुरुस्त बनाएं। हम जानते हैं कि भारत में हेल्थ की बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम है, उसमें भी रूरल विलेजेस में जहाँ 70% ऑफ हमारे लोग रहते हैं और ओनली 2 से 5% हमारे MBBS डॉक्टर वहाँ जाते हैं।
This program was inaugurated on 27th December at Hotel City Palace, Ranchi, Jharkhand, and continued till 6 January 2017. The participating students visited medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and preventive and social medicine departments of Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, where they were taught about basic principles of medical sciences by head of the departments, professors, surgeons, pediatricians, and renowned physicians. In the medical college at Ranchi, they also learned about common diseases prevalent in that area.
एक्सपीरियंसेस तो बहुत हैं यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पीडियाट्रिक सेक्शन में गया, वहाँ पे मैं ऐसे आज तक कभी किया नहीं, आई हैवंट सीन लाइव पेशेंट्स ऐसे। मुझे वहाँ पे एम्पैथी करने का मौका मिला लोगों के साथ कि हाँ देखो ये यहाँ पे पेशेंट्स ये इनको ये है, ये बीमारी है, वो बीमारी है, तो ऐसे देखने से आपको बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है। फिर मैंने सर्जरी भी देखी, 2 सर्जरियाँ देखी हमने, तो उससे भी सीखने का मौका मिला। So that will definitely be applied.
Interns also visited private nursing homes, small, medium, and large-sized charity hospitals and outreach clinics. In Vivekanand Hospital, they saw laparoscopic cholecystectomy, that is removal of gallbladder. This gave them tremendous exposure about India's medical health systems.
It's very important to spread this word because most of these medications that we're delivering to people in the rural villages for malaria and things like that is coming straight through donations, and so it's essential that the word needs to be spread about, because there's so many foundations out there and you don't really know where your money is going, and we have seen, all the interns have seen where that money is directly going, and I think it's important for us as the youth to spread the word to the other youth who are interested in programs like this and who just don't know the value and where their money and their time is going. It's important for us to go and spread the word. So I think the Arogya Foundation will be very successful in the next 5 to 10 years, and we'll be able to treat and help a lot more people than we already have.
There was also a trip to remote village Bhandara to learn about the village life, village culture and traditions. The vastness of rural India provides many opportunities to learn and fathom innumerable medical condition and lifestyle analysis opportunities, including the atmospheric, economic, and cultural impacts on health.
So as I just mentioned, I learned a lot about the different aspects that go into medicine. It's not just the shot, it's not just the medicine they give you, not just the surgery. Like for example, if a child's sick and they keep on treating for diarrhea or malaria, but then they find out that he has exposed water, dirty water. And I've also learned how large a role religion plays. A lot, like there's some the tribal villages who are so fixated in their religion that they will ignore modern medicine. and that's just how they were raised. So often education can play a large role. So I've learned a lot about how religion and hygiene have affected medicine here.
Also, they had an interaction with HFRI initiatives for anemia eradication program and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in villages of Jharkhand.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that word which has coined by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and I have seen the changes which are definitely initiated by the youth. Children and young adults are now definitely aware of it, and they are also teaching their own parents to keep the India clean and keep the India healthy.
In between the exhaustive learning, they also visited scenic, natural, historical, and beautiful places of Jharkhand and Bihar.
For like the past 10-ish days, we've been going to hospitals. We've been traveling so much, so I'm like really content with how much like experience we've gotten. But I'm also pretty exhausted.
On the last day of their training, they visited Karanjau, the Gram Resource Center of Ekal, to see the village development scheme of Ekal. As this session of learning and teaching was near to its finish line, a valedictory session was organized at Arogya Bhavan, Ranchi on 6th January 2017, where they expressed their experience and received the certificate. Present in the program were many dignitaries who are associated with Arogya Foundation of India.